This is a special video for my son's girlfriends, Emily and Erica, sharing with them how to get started learning about investing in growth style stocks. There's different types of stocks that people select for different reasons. There's growth stocks, which are typically companies that invest their profits back into the company. They don't pay dividends, and the stock prices are typically near their 52-week high. These are prices that the investors are hoping will just keep going up, the stock price. Income stocks are stocks that pay dividends. Value stocks are ones that are beaten down or underestimated by the market. People often refer to them as bargain stocks, and they're hoping that they will increase in value when the market realizes the true value of the stock. And IPOs are new issues, and these often, well, not really often, but they don't have track records because they've just been issued, so they tend to be more volatile. My investment style is definitely in growth stocks. I almost exclusively pick my stocks from IBD and investors.com. I frequently buy stocks that have hit a new high, and I have been investing in some IPOs, but you really have to watch those closely because they are typically more volatile. To learn more about growth stocks, you should subscribe to investors.com. They actually have a Black Friday special, 2 months for $10. Once you log in, on the front page, you'll see the market trend. And the market right now is in correction, which means you should not be buying stocks, but it's a perfect time to start learning about them and watching them. So when the market does get into a confirmed uptrend, you'll be ready to purchase stocks if you want to. Every day you should be paying attention to the big picture, which you can find under the Market Trends tab. Once you pull up the big picture, you'll see the archive of every day listed there. So if you don't have time one day, you can catch up on the weekend or catch up a day later. Just click on the title and it will take you to the article. The big picture articles are fairly short, and I want you to pay special attention to the market pulse. It's this little box that tells you the current market outlook, uh, a recap of what's going on with the market that day, and leaders up and down in volume. So make sure you read that. On Saturday, the EIBD, the weekly newspaper, comes out. You can find that under the news tab, and you should go through that paper every weekend. The pages I pay particular attention to include the IBD 50, which shows you small charts of the 50 most highly rated IBD stocks, and it puts them in the order of strength. So I'm giving you an example on Five Below, number 2 there. The red dot, number 1, shows you a short description about what the company does. Number 2 is showing you the chart for that stock. Number 3 is showing you the volume. Number 4 is telling you about the pattern of the chart, if it's a good buy point or building bases, things like that. And then number 5 also gives you some information on the ratings and a little description on what the company does. You'll also want to review the charts on the IBD Big Cap 20. These are larger companies than are on the IBD 50 typically. The IBD Big Cap 20 layout page is the same as it is for the IBD 50, showing you mini charts for each of the stocks and giving you other descriptive information and ratings. So check out the stocks on this list and see which ones you like. You'll also want to check out the IBD sector leaders list, which gives you mini charts for the leaders in the top sectors in the IBD. As you're reviewing all these mini charts, pick out a couple companies that you like and track them for a few weeks and see how they do. You can also do research here. So they have a thing called the IBD Stock Checkup, and you can pull up IBD charts. The Stock Checkup has lots of tabs that will give you different information. Number 4 there. It gives you your composite rating, which is your overall stock rating. It shows you the different companies that are competitors or in the same industry group. And number 5, it tells you a little bit about what the company does. You can enter any symbol you want in the IBD stock checkup and get information on it. It does not have to appear on the IBD 50 or 20 or sector leader list. Any symbol that's traded on the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, you can put in there. When you pull up the chart, you can get the earnings per share ratings. You can see the percentage off the 52-week high. Number 4 is showing you the price action for the stock. 5, your relative strength, and then your volume down at the bottom. Investors Business Daily also has a how to invest section where you can find lots of webinars and instructional videos and other training materials. So you should definitely check out this section. So Emily and Erica, I'm encouraging you to sign up for investors.com and start learning about investing in growth stocks. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.